Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you how I use the baby wipe technique to create the focal point on this card. It's a fun technique, so let me set this aside and we'll get started. The first thing you're going to need is several baby wipes, and I've placed them into this container so that it protects my work surface. I've got 3 Reinkers, the cherry cobbler, the Cajun craze, and the pumpkin pie. And I'm going to begin by dropping some ink onto my baby wipes randomly, starting with the cherry cobbler, and then I'm going to add some Cajun craze, and then I'm going to add finally the pumpkin pie. And this is a trial and error thing. It depends on what you like and which color you want to use as the primary color. And you decide on how many drops you use to do that based on what you want to highlight color-wise. So at this point I'm ready to start stamping. I'm going to be using my 3-leaf image from the Rooted with Nature stamp set, and I'm simply going to tap it on my baby wipes and stamp. And the cool thing about this technique is you're going to get a different look every time you do it. I'm turning my stamp randomly so that the leaves are going different directions and it looks more organic. And there you go. Quick and easy, the baby wipe technique. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.